Hi, have a look into my downtown workshop. My name is Sandro and I'm building a 23-foot sailing boat. Come aboard this journey of crafting and sailing Endra. As there's still many tasks ahead to get Endra ready to float, her appearance finds a final shape. It's time to seal and paint the hull. A tiresome and quite complex work of sanding and applying many layers of different type and purpose. But to keep it fun, I interrupted the process and added something pretty nice. The coaming, Endra's eyeliner, kind of. For starters, I roughened the hull to assure the adhesion for the fairing compounds, the first layer. I used the famous PU primer and repeated this process at least 3 times. The ability to create is often the capacity to suffer, to carry a fascinating vision through a dull process, which requires physical and mental readiness. People may wonder, but never see all the sweat and pain in one's work, but he himself. Such, only the builder will have this ambivalent feeling to his construction, knowing all the little imperfections and cruxes, as I let my hand run delightfully over the hull of my boat. She looks prettier and prettier day by day. One last thing has to be done before the hull is finished. I have to fix that car's ballast to the keel to do the final paint job. I gotta look out for some bronze balls. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you soon.